How do you cite social media? I'm Pierce from Van Dunk Edits, and in June, I'm giving you 30 days of citation tips. First thing to think about is the title of the source. For the sake of citing social media, your source title is going to be the actual text of the post or comment that you're citing. Two things to think about though. One, when you are citing a social media post and it's long, you only want to use the first 160 characters of that post or comment as your source title, including the spacing. Second is capitalization. You're going to want to keep it capitalized exactly as it was in the actual post or comment. You're not going to want to capitalize it like you would a normal source title. Come back tomorrow if you want to learn more about how to cite social media.